Hi friends, what's this number? There are 3 digits in it. We'll take power of 3 for each digit and sum it up. Now what happens? Power of 3 of 1 is 1, and for 5 it is 125, and for 3 it is 27. When we add these 3, we get 153 again. So this is a Armstrong number. Now like that, if it is a 4 digit number, then we will take power of 4 of each digit and sum it up. If it is same as the number, then it is a Armstrong number. We can list out all the numbers over a range, what are the Armstrong numbers, or we can check the number is a Armstrong number or not by using PHP. We are inside our PHP code. Let's start with a number first, 153, because we know it's Armstrong number. So in this, let's take one more variable. We will also store it because we will be changing the value of n1. So we will be telling now we'll also take sum, we'll initialize it to 0, then we'll use it. Now while n1 is greater than 0, so this is the loop we'll be using. Now inside this, first let's take out the digit. So you know how to take out the digit, because in the earlier tutorials we have seen how to sum up the digits of a number and all. We have taken out one of the digits. The same technique we'll use it. You can watch our previous videos also. n1, now this will give us the modulus with 10. So this will take the digit out, or you can say this is the remainder of division. So when you divide it by 10, say 153, divide it by 10 and the remainder is 3. This is nothing but the rightmost digit. So this technique we'll be using. Now we'll take it the balance of it. Now what you will do, we'll say n1 equal to floor. Floor function returns us the value lower integer side. Means if it is 19, we divide it by 10, then we will get 1, not 1.9. And if similarly if 13 is divided by 10, also will get 1. So floor of n1 divided by 10. So this will get the balance 2 digits. So this will give us 15. There are different techniques also used. We'll just move up. There are different ways to get it also. This is not the only. Even as per PHP, if both sides are integers, then you will get a integer as output. So what will directly by dividing 10 also will get the same. We can comment this line and use this also. And if you are using PHP 7 and above, PHP 8 and all, there is another function we can directly use which returns us the integer part of it, that is int div. This function returns and the n1 and divide by 10. So we'll get the integer part of it. This is what higher version of PHP supports this. This gives us the same result. Let's comment it. We'll use this one. So now fine, it is available. Now what we'll do, we'll use the sum of it. Once we get the d value, we'll say here sum equal to sum plus power of, because it's a 3 digit number, what you will do, will take the d comma 3. So we are taking the power of 3 for the digit what you have extracted at the rightmost digit, that is the rightmost digit. So first loop, it will take the value of, it will take d will take the value of 3 and the power of to the power of 3. So this will 3 to the power of 3 means 27, we will get it. So this sum will be 27 at the first loop. Next loop, it will take the value of 5 and the power of 5 is again to the power 3 means it is 125. So that will be added. Like that we will be continuing. So and every time this after removing the rightmost digit, the leftmost digits are remain. So that is how the loop will, and it will end up once it is greater than 0. So we'll say if, now we'll say sum equal to n2. That is the reason why we have stored here in another variable n2, because n1 value we are changing it here. So if that is equal to n2, let me move up a bit. Yeah, if it is n2, then we'll say go n2 is an strong number. Fine, let me just copy this. Now else, if it is not, then what we will say? We'll say N2 is not an Armstrong number. Fine, let's save this, go to our browser, refresh this and see. Yeah, 1.53 is an Armstrong number because we know it is 153. Now let's change this value. So we'll change this to say make it 163. Let's save it, refresh it. 163 is not an Armstrong number. This is how we can check any number. It's a 3-digit number because here you can see we have taken to the power of 3. So all are 3-digit, any 3-digit number we can check it whether it is an Armstrong number or not. Now let us move further and list out all the Armstrong numbers within a range, 3 and 4-digit number. So that time we cannot fix it to 3-digit. We have to take the power of 4 for 4-digit numbers. That we'll see. We'll modify this. We'll keep it inside a loop. We'll start $I. Let's start from 10 because we know there is no Armstrong number. Even there is no 2-digit Armstrong number also. So we'll say less than equal to, let's start with first 10,000. So we'll increase it further. So again plus plus. Now let's start. Okay, we'll end it at the end. Here we'll end. So in this, first we'll assign here this line will remove, and this one equal to $I. Now we are taking the value is that one. Now one more line will add here. What you will say, this is the power we will take equal to str length. This is the length, and it will give you the number of digits of it. So this will be P will be str length. Now here what you will, instead of directly we have taken here 3 because we have tested 3-digit numbers. Now we don't know how many digits are there, so we'll say P. So this value will be taking it from here. This will tell the number of digits. I will write it here, number of digits in the number. That's also that value will get it here. One more thing will change it here because more numbers are not Armstrong number, so the else part will remove. Only if it is Armstrong number, then only it will print. Otherwise so many outputs will come. So this is an Armstrong number. We'll add one line break here because next line it should go. So rest of the things remain same. So we are up to 10,000 we are going, so may not get many number. So let's just go here, refresh it. Yeah, these are all the Armstrong numbers: 370, 71, 164, 8208, 9474. These are all the Armstrong numbers. Now we can still move further also. It depends on your processing power and all. So I'll added one more 0 here. So this is how we'll be looping through all the digits and displaying the different Armstrong numbers within that particular range. So in your system, if your system is fast enough, then it will be more output will come, or the speed will be high. So after 9474 we should get 54748. Okay, it has come. So we can further increase also and get all the Armstrong numbers.